Have a website inspo that you have been eyeing for so long but didn't build it because it looks too complicated and very lengthy? Well, what if an AI can do that for you? I built this website right here from the inspiration that I just showed you, and it didn't even take me 5 minutes. All I did is use Gemini and it built this website for me. Best part, it cost me nothing. And what do I have? A complete website. So follow along. So here's what we'll do. We are going to use Google Gemini to recreate this application. And here's the exact prompt that I'm going to be using. I've started with asking Gemini to watch the linked video carefully and perform in-depth investigation as well as extra research, and these are the pointers that I want to be delivered, which is a clear summary of the application and its purpose, details of what feature and functionality it has, workflow, description of UI UX, and any other relevant details mentioned in the video itself. And do you know the best part? Gemini can, of course, access the transcript of the video, but it can also visually see the video. So it will know about all the different elements in the website that are shown. Lastly, I've added in the video link down here, and all I have to do is send this and wait for the report to be generated. So here's our result, and it gives a detailed report on our SaaS application. This is the summary and purpose, the basic features, that is the workflow, and what all features are included, then how this app actually works, then UI UX, and the details. And here you can see this is the video that I have given. Mind you, this was a 3 hours long video and I got this summary in about a minute or two. Now coming to our main objective, that is to recreate this application. So here's the prompt that I used, which is asking to recreate this application as closely as possible, and I can see that there are a lot of 3D elements which might not be possible to import, so I've asked it to use basic 3D shapes instead, and also mentioned that I want all the functionality. Now make sure you have the canvas selected in the tools and you can hit submit and wait for it to generate the application. Alright, our application is created. Let's view it in full screen by sharing this and then opening it in a new screen. So this is the application, and you can see I have this 3D shape right here, and it has added basic animation like this hover right here. Then this is moving on its own. It's really nice. It's good. And I've checked out the video preview and it closely resembles this one, apart from the fact that the video one was in a light color theme, but it looks really good. So that's it. That's how simple it is to recreate any website that you like. Also, this is another website that I've created, and this time around I used a website as a reference instead of a video, and still it was able to give me a good result. And you can see its design and everything is perfectly matching with the reference website, and it's really perfect because I've been trying to use all sorts of AI tools to recreate this website and none of them got this right because it has two scroll effects, right? So it was able to create that. So I'm really impressed. So that was how you can quickly recreate any website of your choice, taking a YouTube video or a website itself as a reference using Gemini's capability, and then you'll get your website as well as the code for it, which you can simply copy from right here. So go ahead and build that website that you have been thinking for so long.